Now that we know correct visualization of a tangent line and a derivative at a certain point where the line will be the slope of the tangent is essentially the derivative, we can talk about any curve along with its linear approximation. Now, when you are talking about a function, the function might not be a linear function necessarily, okay? But when we are working out, it's very easy to look at linear things, okay? So at any point we can look at a linear approximation of a function at that point. So just take a very general function as I have just shown to you on the graph. Just see a very general function. Now pick up any point as we have here. So just pick up any point out here, some x naught, okay? So at this point, this is a tangent line. At this point, this is a tangent line. The slope of this line will be the derivative at this point. The slope of this tangent line will be the derivative. Now note that the tangent just touches the curve. It does not cut the curve. It just touches the curve at this point, right? It just touches the curve at this point, which means that this line is almost like the curve at this point. At this point, this tangent line is almost like the curve, because here the value, since they're just touching each other, the value of the curve should be nearly the value of the line. So that's the linear approximation of the curve at a point. Okay, so that's the linear approximation. Now tangent line, we know the equation of a tangent line coming from the derivative itself. Okay, so any line is essentially y minus y naught equals to m into x minus x naught, where m is your slope, or f dash x naught if we are talking about x naught as that point. Okay, so y will equal to, y is the curve, okay, y is the curve, y is the curve, y is the function, okay, the function y equals to y naught comes here. So if I take y naught here, y naught plus m is f dash x naught, so f dash x naught into x minus x naught, and that will be the value of the function at the point x naught, or linear approximation of the function, linear approximation, okay, at the point x naught. For a very simple example, okay, let us take a very simple function e to the power x and consider the base point x naught. Why? Because I know something about e to the power 0. Okay, so let me take x naught as 0. Let us take the base point x naught as 0, e to the power x. So we know what is f x naught. What do we require? First of all, let me just tell you what we require. We require f x naught, we require f dash x naught. Okay, so f x naught will be e to the power 0 will be 1, f dash x naught, now f dash of ex is essentially ex, so again e to the power 0, that will also be 1, and e to the power x, that means at point 0, at 0 e to the power x will almost be equal. Now here I can write equal, but it's always better to write almost equal. Okay, so like a congruency sign, okay, almost equal to 1 plus 1 into x minus 0, because 0 is my base point, so that is 1 plus x. Okay, 1 plus x, so e to the power x will be almost like 1 plus x at 0.